Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekinah here again. So it's been a while that I've been on this channel, but you guys are going to forgive me. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make carrot oil. I just want to jump right to the main topic of this video. I don't want this video to be long. So the ingredients I'm going to be needing is just two, as you can see right now. We're needing your carrots. This is fresh carrot that I just grated. Just make sure it is very thin, like you are gonna need your any carrier oil of your choice. Here I'm using shea oil. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil. Just make sure you're using oil that is not comedogenic. If you don't know what comedogenic is, it means oil that doesn't clog your pores. As you can see, I'm using 50 mils of the oil, and you really don't have to measure out your carrots. You can use as much carrot as you want. Just make sure it is not too much than your oil. And I feel like this is not very much than my oil, so yeah. So that is it basically. So I have my oil here and I have my carrot. So you can do your carrot oil in two different methods. You can use two different methods. You can use the cold press method, and you can use the hot method. So you can use the cold press method if you have enough time, but if you are in a hurry and you need the oil very urgently, you can use the hot method. Right now I'm going to be using the hot method, and I'm also going to just explaining how to do the cold method. So to do the cold method, basically what you have to do is you have to dry your carrot. As you can see, I have some carrots drying right here. So yeah, I just have some things drying. This is orange peel right here. I want to make orange peel powder. Then I have lemon peel right here, and I just put this carrot. So if you want to do the cold method, you're just going to dry your carrots like this. Make sure it is really dry, like it is dehydrated. And after your carrot is dry, like really dry, then you're basically just going to put your carrot in your oil in a glass jar, any container. Basically you can use whatever container that you have. You can put your oil inside the container. Then you're going to put your dried carrots. Please note, if you are doing the cold method, you are using dried carrot, not wet carrot or fresh carrot like I am using right now. So you are going to use dry carrot. Then you're just going to pour your dried dehydrated carrot inside the oil in a covered jar or a covered container. Then you are going to leave it for at least 4 weeks before you sieve it out. Yeah, you're going to leave it for 4 weeks. That is like a month or more. So you can't leave it for less than a month. You have to leave it to infuse for a month or more before you sieve it out. But for the hot method, which I'm going to be doing right now, and I'm going to be showing you how to do the hot method right now, is basically just frying your carrot. And there's another way you can do your hot method. You can do the hot method of infusing your oil by putting your fresh carrots inside a glass jar or a beaker or whatever, and then you're going to put your beaker over boiling water. You're going to put your beaker over boiling water using the double boiler method. Then you're going to leave it for 3 hours on low heat, on boil or whatever. Then after 3 hours you can sieve it out. That will also take longer time, but this method that I'm going to be doing right now is kind of faster than the two methods that I just explained. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So yeah, let's go. So what you want to do is you want to put your pot on a really low heat, and then you want to dry it out like that. You want to dry it out. So now I'm going to pour my oil in the pot like so. Now we want to pour our carrot inside the oil. So now you want to just stir your oil, making sure that your carrot doesn't burn, basically. So I'm just going to be stirring this around. So as you guys can see, at this point our carrot has started to turn brown and it has started to crisp up, like it is burning. Stirring so your carrot won't actually burn. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit more. I've turned the heat down a little bit more, so we're just gonna leave it for. So you can see that the oil is turning orange, kind of like more orange than it is before. Just want to keep frying. Just keep frying it. So guys, don't be like me. I literally leave this stove for a few minutes. Like I took my eyes off for a few minutes and the carrot burnt, but it's all good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer this into a container, and then we're gonna leave it to infuse even more till, I don't know, till tomorrow, for like 12 to 24 hours basically. Guys, now I'm just gonna sieve it with this strainer and into this container, and yeah, that's it. So I'm sorry if I might not be able to show it because I'm actually holding my phone right now and it's really hard to do that with one hand. So I have to go do that, then I'm going to be right back to show you guys. So right now I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what it looks like after sieving. This is what it looks like before sieving. You can see how light the oil is here, and you can see how darker it got. So I'm gonna put this in a container so you can. Whatever skin type that you are, you can use this oil. It is for all skin types. If you have dry skin, you have oily skin, you have normal skin, this oil is for anybody. So now if you want to like spice it up a little bit, you want to make it into like a lightening oil for fair skin person, then you can add your whitening oil mix. You can also add, and just note that whenever you add any other ingredient, like an active ingredient, into your oil, make sure you're adding preservative. Yeah. So now I'm just going to package my oil, and yeah. So now this is what our carrot oil looks like. You guys just ignore my container. I don't have any container at hand, so I just had to improvise. So this is what our carrot oil look like, and the lightning is so bad, but anyway, just so this is what our carrot oil looks like. And like I said, I've told you the function of the carrot oil. You can use it for pretty much anything. So yeah. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit the bell button so you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Till next time, bye.